Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make this beautiful product showcase. Okay, you can see this is a simple product, simple hero. Okay, section, and we have one header. Okay, and below the header we have one hero section only. It will be a slider. So you can see. So you can change and select. Okay, this is our demo. So how we can make this? So I use wheat, okay, not npm. Npm wheat. So and framer motion, framer.com. You have to install npm I mean install and framer motion. Okay. So this is just package you require. So friends, I'm not going to do code in front of you. I just explain. Okay. I also build this project. So I just explain you how I do this. So this is our main.js, okay, main.js file. So here this is our index file, okay. In index file we have just one CSS property scroll bar none. So basically it does there is no scroll bar, okay, in right side. You can see here is a scroll bar, but in this section there is no scroll bar. So this property does hidden our scroll bar. And this is our app.js. This is main file where we place and import all component. Okay. So I explain first component, then explain code. So and this is my CSS file, and this is component folder. In component folder we have multiple folder. So name, container, header, navigation, and product and data.js. Okay. And this is asset folder. Inside asset we have multiple images. Okay. This image we use in product. Okay. So first of all, I will explain. This is our app.js. Okay. In app.js, the first line we import React and use state for React. Okay. And second line, I just import CSS file. And the third line is array data. This is data. Okay. And the fourth line is product card. Okay. I will explain you. This is header, this is main container, and this is navigation button. Okay. These these four file is component we declare in component section. Okay. And this is data file. So this is our data file where we define all required data. So you can see here name, price, and description, picture, background. So we define all this in array form of object. Okay. You can see we have four objects. So this is our data. So here I just make one use effect. Okay. And store length. Okay. This array data, this is array. So we can access length of array by using predefined function dot length. Okay. So in this variable, we have length of array. So initially, I just make use state and give initial value, it will be 0. So we have to access only one value, one array value, mean one object in at a time. So this is one object, okay, and this is is problem. Oh, sorry, this is the problem. Okay, so you can see only one object appear. So that's why I use take, use take, and we make function export default function, which name is add. This is main container. Okay, this container just we define in container component. So in container component we have two files. One is JSX file and second one is container.css. Okay. So in container section you can see only we have defined one div having three properties. For two, sorry. First one is class name and second one is style. So class name we define dynamic class name. Color also dynamic, and children mean these all components behave like a children. Okay, so that's why this is predefined rule in React JS. You have to, if you make a wrapper component, you have to define children. Okay, so this is our main component, main container. Also, we use main container. Okay, and provide class name. Okay, and also define color. So you can see whenever we click on next button, so all background color will be changed. Okay, that's why we provide dynamic color, and this color we also define in every object. So this is our object. This is one key. Okay, object, one property. So yeah. So the third one is header. So header we define here. This is a header component and also header CSS. Okay, I will explain later one by one. Okay, and I take one div. Okay, wrapper, and also take one div which name is having class name main and sweeper slide. Okay, and ID. There is no need ID here. So inside this div, we define product card. So this is our product card. In card section, we have two div, mean two section. So here you can see this is one section and this is second section. So that the left side and center. So in left side, we define some classes. Okay, and also the center having some images. Okay, just okay, and this is navigation button. So this button, navigation button, this is navigation button. Okay, so here we define button. Okay, on click. So and also provide function here. So this is our add.js. So now explain one by one. So this first of all, this is our container. So in container file, I make one component, okay, which name is main container. Okay, it's accept three properties: children, color, and class name. One more thing, you can use prop. Several times you listen about prop properties. Okay, so you this is prop. You can use prop. Prop is itself is object. So prop dot class name. Okay, prop dot color and prop dot children. So it's look like this. So it's still working. Okay. So so this is our main container. Okay. Now it's time to define CSS. Okay. One more thing. This is our CSS app.css file. So we have to define first this. So initially I import two font families, okay, from Google font, these two, and we make root. In root we declare body color, arrow fill, body font or italic font. Okay, we here is a static, okay, box size, border box, outline none, and image is this is journal, simple journal CSS, okay. And next with 100% display block, text a anchor tag, text decoration none, color will be body color. This is body color. H1 H2 margin will be 0, body font, this is body font, and padding margin will be 0, color will be body color, okay. And medium screen below 480 pixel, no padding between body, okay. So I think it's not need because we also de- define padding 0. This is sweeper wrapper. So this is our sweeper wrapper. Okay. So it will be flex, max width. But if I give it border, you can solid red. So you can see it's look like this. Okay. This is sweeper component. So it will be flex, max width, 80% margin from top bottom, 80 pixel and auto. So this is our app CSS file. So hope you clear. So now it's time to define container.css. So in container.css, we have main section. Okay. This is main section. So you can see we define two main container here, component, two types. So first time its class name is main section. Okay. So in main section, I will give border just for clarification. Okay. So now you can see border. Now you can see it's look like this. So this is our main file, main section. Width 100%, border radius 4. Okay, max height 100 VH, 100 VH mean minimum screen height, position relative, overflow auto. Okay, this is our, and the second class name is container. So this is our container class. Okay, in container class we also define width 100%, but max width 1200 pixel. You can see max width will be 200 pixel. Sorry, 1200 pixel. Border 4 pixel, max height also 100 VH height, VH display flex, margin auto. If I remove margin auto, you can see what is the difference. Okay, you can see. Now you can see. Okay, and flex direction column, scroll behavior, smooth padding, top bottom 0, left right will be 30 pixel. Position well auto, overflow auto. And medium screen container take 100% and 100%. Main section also contain height 100% and 100%. This is our container.css file. Okay, hope you clear. So next is our header. So this is very important section of the. This is our header. Okay, in header we just import React and also import. This is our, okay. In header take only one props, which one is color. Okay, semantic tag header. Okay, we take one div. First I give it border. So this take border this. Okay, okay. Name one div. Okay, having class name header and style background color which definitely defined and dynamic. And inside the div, we defined one anchor tag, okay, which class name is menu icon, okay, and href. So it's take one svg. So this is okay. So I just copy and paste. Sorry. So this is our menu. Okay. What if I give it border? Okay, 1 pixel and solid. Okay, you can see this is SVG. So, and also we take one more anchor tag, which class name is logo, and inner text will be product. So it will be definitely this. Okay, and we take one class, which name is header menu. Inside header menu, we define four anchor tag having href hashtag and text marks, helmet, bottle, and accessories. So it's this is okay. And we also defined one more div, which class name is header icon. Okay, and it takes three SVGs. Okay, so these SVGs, this topic and search or and user profile icon. Okay, so it's time to define CSS. So header will be display flags, alignment item center, height, and 2 pixel. We define, okay, here fixed height. Width will be 100% white space, no wrap, flex, shrink, 0 font weight is 600 font size, 50 pixel a border bottom, 1 pixel. Okay, you can see this is the border. The border position fixed, top left 00 padding 0, top bottom left right 100 pixel. Border color beige, okay. Z index 6. And below 7575, height will be calculate function, cal function, okay. 100% plus 20 pixel. Margin left -10 and padding top 0 and left right 20 pixel. And this is logo, okay. We define this is logo class product, okay. So font size 20, margin left -20, color will be body color, okay. And this color I also told you in app.css file, okay. So this is body color, okay. Okay, and header menu. So this is our header menu, okay. So in header menu we define display flex, alignment center, margin right 20 pixel. Inside header menu SVG, okay. Header menus and SVGs, okay. Here we targeting header dot menu icon dot SVG. So it's definitely refer this section, okay. Okay, and header icon will be margin left auto display flex item center, and header icon SVG 20 pixel, okay. And header icon SVG not last side, margin right. Mean this is not taking margin. I just remove this. You can see what is the difference. So it take margin right. So here I just mentioned last side not take margin right. So this is our header class. So friends, if you want to need this code, you just hit on my email. I will share you this code. Okay. And this is our header section. And now it's time to make product card. So this is our product card. Okay. Here we use framer motion for animation. You can see this is animation. The text from appear top to bottom and image. You can see the reveal from inside the image. So we make this animation by using framer motion. So this is our product card. So we just remove header, okay, and apps CSS, okay, and this is our product card and this is our product CSS, okay. So left side, okay, motion.div. So item.id plus 3. So friends, if you want to apply animation on every click, mean whenever new content appear, you want to apply animation, you have to define ID, unique ID. Okay. So here item ID plus 3. So why I just plus 3? Right, plus 3. If I remove, it's our right. You can see I just remove it. Now you can see it's working. Okay. I will show you. Here I will show you. Now if I just remove it, you can see I just no, you can see it's our right. Mean add. You can see. So you have to define unique ID. So this is our first item. That's why it's not duplicate and not adding. That's why. Okay. Initially opacity will be 0.8 and Y minus 100. While in view mean whenever our content appear in view. Okay. So I will explain you what is mean by in view. So this content is in view. But below this introduction framework for developer, below content is not in view. So now this content is in view, but above this content is not in view still. Okay. So while in view opacity 100 and Y will be 0 on exit opacity again 0.8 and Y minus 100 and transition we define duration 0.5 type queen, okay, class name main wrapper. Inside this, okay, we define three tag h3, h2 and h1 and h2. H3 main header, main title and main subtitle. This is class name and item dot type, title and price. Okay, you can see in here, you can see title, type, price. Okay, you can see. And below this div, we also define type, initial 0 minus 100. If duration is 1, okay, type also change opacity on exit 0.8 and 100 minus 100. Okay, main content title, main content subtitle, and more menu. So item detail and item description. If this is not defined, then we predefine text is you can predefine by using or operator. Okay, and also below this shop mode and this is SVG icon. You can see. Okay, so now it's time to define left side. This is our first. Give me 1 second. I just break it down. Okay, give me 1 more second. This Okay, now you can see. So this is our left side. Okay. So now it's easy for you to. So this is left side. Left side will display flex direction column space between maximum width. Okay, 320 pixel. So I just give it border. Okay. So now you can see this is look like. Okay. And medium screen below 930 max width. Left mid text align with center. Max is 100%. Okay. And so this is our main. Okay. So so this is our main. This is main. Okay. Padding 42 pixel, 0 and 30 pixel. Display flex grow 1, position relative. Okay. Below 930 pixel, flex direction column reverse. Okay. Alignment atom center, justify center. Friends, hope you have knowledge about CSS. Okay. If you have not knowledge about CSS, you have to first gain and understand. Then it's better to understand this. And main header, this is main header. Okay, this is our main header. Text transform, uppercase font size will be 40 pixel, letter space 4, font weightage, and transition delay 0.2. And active, it's not needed here. Okay, also not needed. Okay, so and the main title, again font family, italic font, size 100 pixel, weightage 400, margin top 10, line height 1 em. Okay, and main subtitle. So this is our font family, font weightage, font size, margin top, margin bottom, transition delay. It's also known. And main content title. So here is our main content title. Okay, main content main. So it will be 26 font size pixel, italic font, italic, margin bottom 40 pixel, transition delay, and subtitle 40 pixel, line at 1.5, margin 24, letter space minus 0.01 em, and transition delay. Okay, and more menu. This is our more menu. Okay, font, weightage, display flex, alignment atom, transition delay. Okay, so you can see border 1 pixel solid. Okay, and medium screen margin and margin bottom will be 56. A bottle BG. So this is our bottle BG. Initially, I define key item ID plus initial 0.0808 opacity and scale, and animate 1 and 1. Okay, transition 0.5 and type tween, exit opacity 1 0.8. Okay, so this is our source item.bg. Okay, so here you can see this is our item.bg. Okay, item, we define array data first. Mean array data, this is our array data. Array data is object containing multiple objects. So first mean we access these objects. You understand? So that's why I use item.bg. Okay, this is background. It will be a key item ID, initial 0 and 9.9. Okay, while in you 1.5, transition 1, delay 0.3, and type V. Okay. Okay. And bottle image. This is our bottle image. Okay. So you can see this is our bottle image. It will be position absolute top 18 pixel and left will be 0. So initially it's look like this. Okay. Just remove border. Friends, hope you understand. So now it's time to explain navigation button. Okay. Just remove this, and also remove this. Go and make navigation button. Okay. Navigation CSS. This is our, okay. In navigation button, we have defined one React navigation button dot CSS. Okay. It's take two props, left click and right click. Okay. So just I first explain you. So initially it's look like this. Button wrapper. Okay. In right side you can see CSS, and sweeper button, sweeper preview button, previous button. Okay. SVG fill none current color. Okay. And this is SVG. And on click, left click. Okay. And on click, right click. Sweeper button and sweeper next button. So here we define button wrapper absolute right and bottom 20 pixel, 30 and 20 pixel, then index 1 display flex alignment item center. Okay. So hope 1 minute. Okay. Now it's easy for you. So medium screen top left 00 padding will be width 100% justified, space between padding 60 top left to right. Okay. And 56 pixel button wrapper. This is button wrapper 0 and 20 pixel. Okay. And button wrapper SVG 28 pixel width, SVG super button 8 border 1 pixel solid, and body color border radius 50. Okay. Width and height 40 pixel, display alignment item justify center, background uh, linear gradient to right. Okay. Where body color 40 pixel, transparent 0. Okay. Background size, background position right bottom, transition all, and cursor point. So here you can see button wrapper, swiper button, and swiper button plus margin left 60 pixel, and max width medium screen, margin left 0. Okay. Button wrapper and swiper button hover. So background color will be body color. Okay. And background left bottom. So on hover you can see there is a beautiful effect. Okay. You can see, and hover SVG stock will be and bottom wrapper and previous button background linear gradient left body color 100% as well transparent 0, size 20 200 and 100 pixel, background position left bottom, transition R 0.3, easy out button wrapper super SVG. Okay. It's rotate minus 180 pixel degree, sorry. So this is SVG. Okay. If I just get, you can see it's look like this. So we define rotate 180 pixel. So right bottom on hover. Okay. So this look like this. Okay. So friends, hope you understand this, and enjoy this video. So please subscribe and share this video.